Hello everyone and welcome to our first cooking baking video. Today we'll show you how we make the French vanilla ice cream, and here are the ingredients. We need 5 eggs, granulated sugar, whipping cream, or if you have heavy cream, that's better. Use heavy cream. And of course, we will be using a full cream milk. Make sure it's full cream, okay? Not fat. And some of you may ask, why do we put salt on ice cream? But yeah, we will need salt. So the first thing you will do is to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites carefully. And make sure that you set aside the whites for later. You can make it as a meringue. We'll probably put up a video in the future on how to make meringue buttercream or some other meringue recipes like meringue cookies. So watch out for that. So separate the egg yolks. Here we are using our hands because it's easier for us to separate it using our hands rather than cracking the shell and using the shell as a separator, because it usually breaks the yolk. Just make sure don't do this one. Okay, once all the yolks are separated, put a little bit of salt, a pinch would do, and then add your sugar into the mixture. And this is very important. Whisk the yolks and the sugar. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk until it becomes fluffy and the color changes from yellow to bright or to light yellow. And there's our whisker. Hello, whisker. And then on a pot, put your heavy cream together with your full cream milk. This one we will be simmering or scalding under medium heat, medium to medium low heat. So make sure that don't make a mess, but mess is okay if you're making ice cream because the mess looks yummy, you know, it adds yumminess to what we're making. So put the milk mixture into medium low heat as I mentioned and stir it occasionally. Don't let it boil, okay? Don't let it boil. Just simmer, and you know it's done when you see little bubbles on the side of the pot. Once that happens, take the pot off the heat. And then the next step is very, very crucial. So you just ladle 1 scoop of the hot milk or warm milk into the egg mixture and stir like there's no tomorrow. This is what you call tempering the egg yolks so that your egg yolks won't cook. Go ladle a second and third scoops, and once it's done you can put everything, all the hot milk into the bowl and then mix it all together. Make sure it's all mixed up, and then you're done. Basically that's it. Let this cool overnight, put it in the freezer, freeze it, and the next morning prepare your ice cream maker. Make sure your ice cream maker is also prepped up. It should be frozen. And then just pour your mixture into the ice cream maker, and that's it. That's all. Easy. It just takes 2 days, you know, because you have to freeze everything, freeze the container or the ice cream maker or the ice cream bucket, as well as your vanilla mixture. And then, yeah, just let it run like for 20-25 minutes. In our case, we waited for like 20 minutes for the ice cream to thicken up like this one, as you will see. Once you reach this consistency, you may stop and transfer it to a container and freeze it like for at least 2 hours. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. We'll make more in the future. See you.